I have 300 grams of fresh milled flour, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1/2 cup water, 1/4 cup blackstrap molasses, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, which is optional, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 75 grams of melted coconut oil, 6 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 vanilla bean or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of mashed bananas. We're going to ignore how mine look, they were in the freezer. Whisk the flax and water together in a mug and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and pumpkin pie spice. Mixing the wet and dry ingredients in separate bowls prevents overmixing when they're combined. In a medium mixing bowl, combine the bananas, coconut oil, almond extract, vanilla, maple syrup, molasses, and flax mixture. Be sure to stir the flax one more time before adding it in. Add the wet ingredients into the large mixing bowl and fold everything together. Pour into a greased 9x5 bread pan. These next couple steps are completely optional. I have 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix well and set aside. I like to drag a greased knife through the center of my loaf for an even split when it rises. Crumble the mixture from earlier on top. Bake this in a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour. The toothpick test does not work on this bread. Let cool at least 1 hour before cutting into the bread.